guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you're new. Either way, I'm so glad that you decided to click on this video and watch this instant cleaning motivation video where I am speed cleaning my apartment. If you're new here, my name is Larissa and I'm 23 years old. I am a teacher and I live in southern Indiana. I currently have a pretty small apartment with my boyfriend and our fur baby Jasper. He is the sweetest thing and you'll get to see him later on in the video. He usually likes to make his appearances in the living room since that is his typical hangout spot. Here on this channel, I post cleaning, decluttering, organizing, those types of videos every single week. I was posting only on Tuesdays, but lately I've been posting on Tuesdays and Fridays, and I know that in the last 2 weeks or so I've kind of fallen off that and have just went back to my posting on Tuesdays only. That's because I have been having some really bad technical difficulties. I recently bought a camera, and before that I was just using my iPhone, and so it has definitely been a little bit of a learning curve, but I hope that I will be able to get ahead and start posting consistently twice a week, but for now, expect videos from me once, maybe twice a week. When I'm cleaning the entire apartment, I usually like to start out in the bedroom. Sometimes I'll start out in the kitchen, it just depends on my mood, but today I was starting out in the bedroom and I am finishing it off by spraying this Caldrea room spray in the scent Sweet Pea all over the bed, and it is just such a nice scent for the bedroom. And then I'm moving on into the living room. So I will just kind of let the music play, and I hope that this gives you some extreme cleaning motivation. And I really like posting these shorter videos. Number one, because I feel like you guys really like them. It's really helpful for you to watch the video, get the motivation, and then clean your own mess in your home. But two, it's also easier on me. And that's one thing that I'm really trying to do, especially since being quarantined and all of that, and I am still teaching from home, so that has just been a learning curve as well. So I'm just trying to keep my life simple and trying not to put too much pressure on myself, so I encourage all of you to do the same.
Don't know what you do, but you make me feel fine. And you can't deny we are not just killing time. You should let me know if you want this too. Baby, you just make me feel crazy. A little crazy for you. I feel crazy. A little crazy for you, baby. Yeah, yeah. Little crazy for you now.
Every change has a reason, baby, let it come to you. Every soul, every season lives outside of status quo. If we stop believing we're meant to be, expanding our abilities. If the passion's gone, we are doing it wrong. Baby, you and I should start living now. With the
by the bonfire. 'Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, 'cause you know I don't wanna play pretend. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Let's go! I need you, what to do, I can't help that I want you. We got the moonlight shining bright as we drive down the avenue. 'Cause this might be love. It's a feeling that I can't get rid of. So just take my hand, I wanna be with you until the end. Stay with me, take a chance, baby, roll the dice. Gotta give me some love, 'cause when I'm with you, I'm in paradise. You know how to make me feel alive. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. You gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah. Gotta give me some love, nah, nah, nah.
So I am wrapping up today's cleaning video by cleaning off these doors in our bathroom. These doors actually hide our washer and dryer, and in the molding on them it gets very dusty. I don't know about you all, but I feel like my bathroom gets dusty super easy, and it shows really easily because the lighting is so bright in there. But I hope that you guys enjoyed this video. I hope that it brought you joy and some motivation to clean your own house. And if you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you're new here, don't forget to subscribe to this channel so that you don't miss out on any of my future videos. Bye.